I studied games design, which was amazing, and I'm really glad I did that because it was like some of the best years of my life. And then I did the masters, got more serious, which has led on to now me getting a job. Now I lecture at the university, which is amazing. And it's been fantastic because I've learned so many more new skills, and I thought my learning would kind of stop at a point on that, but it's non-stop. Like, you never stop learning, and that's what I've really enjoyed about it. And it's a great family here at Staff, so that's probably why I've stayed. So my MA was in events management and business inside the world of esports. So my focus was on esports business, but I put on several projects that I evaluated on. I reflected on my experience. I wrote things like esports and economics, player growth, and these are all things that weren't really available to until a course just recently got created. But it's actually helped me structure the course that's just been made. But it wouldn't be I couldn't have done that without the freedom of the master's course doing negotiated learning. And that's why I can't thank them enough, because it's been such an opportunity that it's opened up a world of opportunities for so many other people as well now. I never thought I would be teaching these students and see such engagement. They're always willing to learn, and it's seeing that spurs us on, I think, as lecturers, to see how passionate the students are, and that's something so special about the esports degree. And they're going to go on to do fantastic things. They're already running in events, and that's incredible.